This is a photo of my friends from the army. Their names are Joyan, Wisho, Paz, and Wilmer. I know them because we train together and we share many experiences. In the photo, we are in a restaurant having lunch after a training day. They are my partners and very good friends. They are young and hardworking. Some of them are around 20 of or 21 years old. They are friendly and funny people. I am the one with the black t-shirt and the ouch. I am sitting next to my friend who is wearing shorts. My friends are around me and we are all enjoying the moments. In the photo, we look a little serious, but we are happy and relaxed. It is a special memory because it shows our friendship and teamwork in the army.